Hey everyone, this is Christian Verwijs, currently working in the train back to Amsterdam. Join me and I'll show you what we're doing. Because we've spent the past day almost preparing the immersion workshop that's going to take place in May. And it's going to be really exciting, and the people that are part of the design team are going to tell you why it's so exciting. So let's take a look.
So, I'm really excited about this for a number of reasons. The main one is, of course, working together with some people that I respect highly and trying out some new development liberating structures and finding a balance between some nice personal structures and a big overall theme.
Hi, my name is Edgar. I'm really looking forward to the Immersion workshop. I was present in December as a participant, and I'm part of the design team. I really like to share all my knowledge and experiences, and looking forward to meet you.
And I'm Saskia, also part of the design team. Happy to be part of this onboard.
Awesome. Very good.
Hello, I'm Barry Overeem, and the reason that I'm quite excited about the upcoming workshop is that Christian and me picked some liberating structures that we are going to facilitate that we have never done before, so that's quite exciting for us as well. And actually, yeah, it's always a tricky thing to see how it's all going to work out, because this is the idea that we have in mind currently in the train ride from Hamburg to Amersfoort, but probably it's going to shift some way the upcoming weeks, and it's also quite exciting to see how it will work out. And if you are interested in joining the upcoming workshop, that's a shame because it's already sold out, but we've got another one in November, and we might bring stroopwafels as well. So if you like stroopwafels, or if you are curious to discover what are these stroopwafels, join our workshop. See ya!